What are you doing now?
3 plates of grass hay.
I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed.
This is your shredded beet pulp, aka
in my
protein.
bed.
There are cookies like treats.
Apple and carrot pulp.
Hi, dog.
So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong. But I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I belong with you belong with me, my sweetheart. Standing next to me. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. Love, we need it now. Let's go.
And that is the end of the feeding process, finally.